So now I'm back again. My goodness, it's unreliable. My live stream just stopped and I wasn't notified or something, anything. But I hope I'm back right now. I don't know where the live stream stopped last time, but I'm back. So, okay. The previous live stream stopped, and I have to probably explain again what happened. So on Bitcoin, this morning we had this trend line, which was resistance, which was like a triangle. We broke above it. I opened a long trade. Then we went down, retested this area. I also said, look, we have super strong support right here because we had many levels converging. We had this support from the downside of the triangle. We had this this other support line, resistance line that has turned into support, and we also have this neckline of the 4-hour neckline, the orange. Let me support line. So if we could go to 4-hour chart and just connect the previous the previous highs, we get this big trend line, which is actually a pivot trend line, which goes all the way back to February, end of February, beginning of March, and even further back to mid-February, and it goes all the way down here. And if we now zoom in on the 15-minute, you will see this orange trend line going exactly, smashing exactly at the apex of our triangle. So it was a super strong support, and now after the retest we went up, and now probably it's a good time to add to my position. So let's see, where are we? So we went above the neckline, we retested it, and we're probably heading higher. Okay, let me see, maybe I will just add 500 to my long. Yeah, let's add 500. Okay, I hope we will go higher right now, and we might go down, retest it again, totally possible, something like this, and go up again, or retest even lower. We might dip below and retest this support line. Let me show you. So we have this strong support going all the way back to a couple of days ago. I think it's 4-day long support. Oh, not 4-day, okay. Not 4-day, it's 2-day long support that we have here. Look, we could do and go and draw all these mountains here that we are creating. Let me do it again. Like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. All these mountains we have on this little support line. You could call it a triangle or something, but it's a big support line. So why am I showing you this? Very simple, to show you my creativity. No, just joking. So if we go down, and should we from now, okay, let me remove these mountains, otherwise you just don't see it. So we have this double bottom, the W, we broke out of it, we retested, and now I added to the position. What might happen now is just that we retested, and should we go below the neckline, we have this huge support that I was just talking about, which is carrying all the mountains. And of course, if we break this support, then all the mountains will slide down. We will have a massive landslide. And yeah. Okay, I've just added 500 to my position, and I should probably also add the second stop loss. I have my first stop loss of $500 below this low, the previous low, and I don't think we will go lower than this. I hope, and I don't think. But should we go below this trend line, I probably will. We close, not just weak. If we go and close below this big support line, then it would be a good idea to close my trade completely. So this is why I'm keeping my stop loss right here, but later I will probably move it up. Okay, let me see if you have some questions or suggestions. Where is my live stream? Okay, I'm still live streaming. Last time it just broke off without any notifications. So okay, let me add my stop loss right here. 700. I need another stop loss. 39,700. Alright, so now I have two stop losses at these levels. So if we go all the way down and my stop losses get hit, I would lose like $14, but I already made $6. And please don't laugh at my super small tiny positions. I'm learning, baby. I'm learning, and I'm experimenting, and a lot of times I would expand my positions too much, then I would lose a lot of money. So I'm being quite careful right now. So now we approach this other important level. You see, we had a previous high right here. You see this 2 weeks. We had 1 week here and 1 week here. So this level, this is the exact where we have our week right now. So we have to smash through it as well before we go higher. Maybe we will just go back down from here. Oh, interesting. This is also one of our previous weeks back then, way back then. You see here? Right here. All in this area. So we need to reclaim this level first. Okay. Bitcoin is trying to go above it, All right, so what is important at this moment? So we are almost all set. We have our stop losses. I have my position here. We are above the neckline. We are probably to expect a retest like this, then go up, and our next big W would be these 2 weeks. So let me show you. This would be a beautiful W. Let me make it thick. So if we can go above this neckline, it would be even more beautiful, because this would mean that we create a new W like this, and like this. So you see this double bottom, and then if we go above it, I might even add to my position. Yeah. So this is the next neckline I'm looking for, these two necklines. But actually right now we might expect this target to play out, hopefully. This target is the height of this double bottom. This would be our target right here up on the breakout. If we are very optimistic, then we might be looking at 41,180, but usually it goes back down before it reaches the target, so it might just reverse at this level or at this level. Yeah, at this level we already reversed at the half of our target. This might be the next point of rejection. But let's just keep it right here. And like I said before, if we successfully can break through this neckline, let me show it. Oh no, not neckline. I'm talking about something else. Look, if we treat this as a triangle like this, which just broke out, then that would mean that our target is approximately the height of this triangle, and it might take us all the way up to 42,000 up, because we broke out right here. You understand? Let me show it again, because you're probably confused because I have so many colors right here. So let's draw a triangle from here to here to here. So this is a big triangle that we broke above. And you see the resistance line, the upper side of the triangle. We broke above it right here, then we tested and we went up. So our target is this, the height of this triangle up on the breakout. So it's around 42,000 in the best case. Most likely we will be rejected by some resistance line. For example, this resistance line seemed to be quite strong and important. If we just connect the previous highs, we get this, you know. And then again, it's very beautiful. Every time we break one of these resistance lines, we can draw our new double bottoms. So this would be the next one after we break this. Oh, it looks like so. This would be the ultimate, of course, double bottom for the next 8 hours. If we manage to break above this, this is basically a rising wedge, right? So right now we can expect two things on a slightly bigger scale, like within the next 4 to 8 hours we might expect either break to the downside out of this big triangle, rising wedge. This is what I'm talking about, this one. So we will break either below it and then retrace quite heavily, probably to the bottom of the wedge at 37,000 or something. Or if we break above it, ultimately somewhere during this day, maybe within the next couple of hours, then we would go up and our target would be the height of it, which would go from here to here. The height of the target of this rising wedge would be approximately 45,000 in the best case scenario, and this would be mega perfect awesome, because it would also mean that we go above this huge structure on the 4 hour. We can also create some type of W right here. Let's see. Actually, did we already break above it? Okay, let me fact check. Let me remove all this noise right here. Okay, let's see where we are right now. So we are at 40,300. Let me go back to 4 hour. No, we did not. I almost thought we already broke this W, this huge W pattern. You can call it what you want. You can call it a double bottom. You can call it what you want, but it's an obvious neckline that we need to break before we go higher on Bitcoin. But no, we didn't break it yet. The neckline would be at somewhere 41,000. Yeah, 41,300 on Bybit. If we go above it and stay above it, whoo, beautiful. Okay, let me go real quick to 15 minutes. I just wanted to update you actually on my trade. I updated you. I took out some profit, and then I added some to my position again. So let's see. And right now, like I said, we will probably just retest the neckline and maybe even retest the support line, this one, before we go up. So that's it. Let me see if you have some questions, comments, or suggestions. The live stream ended as well again. Wait, what? Did my live stream end again? I don't get it. My live stream seems to stop randomly without me being notified. Oh no, I'm still live. I'm still live streaming. I just have too many windows open. That's the thing. So, alright. I'm live streaming right here, and we are retesting the levels. Good, good. So that's probably it for now. I have my stop losses here. I took some profits. Okay, what about Ethereum? I'm way too late to the party to trade Ethereum. And but like I said, we will probably create some type of W right here, and upon the break of this W, I might open a long position. Opening a long position right now for Ethereum is might be a little bit risky, because if Bitcoin doesn't go up, I don't know if Ethereum will go up. And on Bitcoin, we are not 100% sure that we will go up, because we still didn't retest the neckline of the W. After a successful retest, like this, or after testing this support line, we will be more confident in our Bitcoin move, so we can also open a long on Ethereum. All right. What about Cardano? Cardano is going back and forth. It's also did it break out? Yeah, almost. Well, it broke out on this triangle actually, and now it's retesting it. But I don't want to touch any altcoins right now. I'm trying to focus only on Bitcoin. Okay, as I said, we are just retesting it. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.